In this video, I will show you how you can create OpenAI prompts from Google Sheets automatically. So I have already added my prompt in this spreadsheet, and now I will connect this spreadsheet with this OpenAI software so that this prompt can be picked up automatically and the task can be performed automatically from this OpenAI. Now to build the connection in these two applications, I will use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. If you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and create your account, where you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. I'm an existing user, so I am already logged in. Now once you will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as create OpenAI prompts from Google Sheets. Now it is asking to select the folder, so I will be selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find two boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger an action, and here the trigger means when this happens, an action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, so I want that my prompt should be picked up automatically from the Google Sheet, so that is why I have selected the same application, and further this prompt should be sent to OpenAI application, so I will be selecting the same application in this action window. Alright, so I have selected the same, and now I will be connecting these two applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So let's connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect so that we can capture the prompt data here in the Pabbly Connect, and then we will send the same prompt within Pabbly Connect only to our OpenAI application. And for this connection, we will have to follow these instructions, and with the help of this URL only we are going to build this connection. So I have already copied that webhook URL. Coming back to my spreadsheet in which I am preparing all the prompts, clicking on extension, clicking on add-on, then clicking on get add-ons, and here you will have to search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Alright, so I'm searching for the same, but this add-on is already installed in my Google Sheets account because I have already prepared several automations. But if you are a new user, you will have to firstly install this add-on, because after that you will have to open the same add-on from here. Okay, click on extension once again, and then click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on initial setups, and here exactly we will have to paste the same webhook URL which we have got via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I have pasted the same webhook URL. Now it is asking to select the trigger column. So read the instructions. The trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Okay, so it is asking to specify a column name on filling of which this automation should trigger. Okay, so currently I have added a single column only, and I want that whenever any new prompt is added in my A column, this automation should trigger. So I have added the same column, clicking on send test, and as soon as I do that, you will notice that the Google Sheets response will be received here, and you can notice the response is already here. Now I will show you the details one by one. Here we have the same prompt which we have added inside our spreadsheet, that is write a 200 words article on the topic how to gain weight. Provide the article with complete formatting as it will be drafted in WordPress. Okay, well I have provided this extra instruction also because ultimately my content will be drafted in WordPress website only. Okay, and here you can find the same trigger column. We also have the same spreadsheet name, that is ChatGPT prompts to generate articles, and here we have the spreadsheet ID and other details, even this row index. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards, what will happen, every time someone will add any new prompt in this spreadsheet, in this A column, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. But for that you will have to enable one more very important settings, that is send on event. If you will enable that option, that will ensure that every time the new prompts are adding here, the same prompt should be sent to Pabbly Connect automatically, and here you can notice this is enabled. Well, this tick mark shows that this option is now enabled. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and moving further, now I will send the same prompt to OpenAI. So the application is already selected. Now selecting the action event, that is ChatGPT. Yes, you'll have to select the same action event. Now just like we have connected spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting this OpenAI with the Pabbly Connect. So if you're connecting OpenAI with Pabbly Connect for the first time, go with the new connection and then it will ask you the token. So if you're already logged in your OpenAI account, you can directly click on this hyperlink and it will redirect you to the API keys pages, and by clicking on this plus button you can create a new key. Okay, but I have already created 2 keys and I have even saved those keys into my notepad. Okay, so how about I copy the key from there and paste here. So I have pasted the key, clicked on save, and in this way my OpenAI application is immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. But before we do any setting in this chat GPT or in this OpenAI, let me tell you a very important thing. Whenever you connect your spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, make sure multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab, or you should work in the incognito window. I'm repeating this thing once again, that either work in the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now moving further, and I will be selecting this model. Here you can notice, because we are connected, whatever the models are available, AI models are available in chat GPT, or we can say in OpenAI, all of them are visible here. So you will have to select this GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay, I'm actually working into the free account, so that is why I'm using this 3.5. If you have a paid account, you can go with this GPT 4. Okay, now it is asking to select the prompt, to provide the prompt. Well, our topic is to create the prompts from Google Sheets, and we have already captured the prompt from our Google Sheets step. And the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy these prompts and paste below again and again for every new single prompt. Yes, I'm going to map this prompt so that this prompt can be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. And mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the same data, the above data, here in the drop down. Select that data and in this way it will be mapped. Now finally click on this button and you will see a response will be generated here, and that response will consist of our article, of our content. Okay, I'll have to wait. All right, so the response is received. Let's check for the response, and here under this choices 0 message content you can find the same content. Let me scroll down, and yes, it is the same topic, that is tips for gaining weight in healthy way. Okay, coming back and let's cross check what was our topic. Okay, how to gain weight was the topic. Coming back and cross checking the same, and yes, it is the same topic. Are you a fitness enthusiast who wants to put on some healthy weight? Making a few changes to your lifestyle can help you gain weight healthily. Okay, so here you can find all the content, and now if you want to save this content in your spreadsheet, what you can do is you can simply click on this plus icon and search for the Google Sheets step, and basically you can connect it, and by selecting the action event of update row you can add that data in your next column. But in this video, instead of adding the same data in Google Sheets, I'll show you how you can add this data in Google Drive, basically in Google Docs application. For that you'll have to select this Google Drive, then select the action event, that is create a file in a specific folder. Okay, I'll show you the same. Where is that? Alright, create a file in a specific folder, clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this button, and then you will have to provide the access of your Google Drive account. Alright, so I have provided the same, and in this way my Google Drive account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect, asking for the permissions. So again I have provided the same. So the authorization is successful and it is connected. And again, because we are connected, whatever the folders are already available in my Google Drive have started visible here, and I will be selecting this all articles folder, and currently this folder is blank. Okay, so here you can notice, and I have selected the same folder. Now it is asking that what should be the name of the file which you are about to create in this particular folder. Okay, so instead of providing any file name manually, how about I map the prompt, or I will have to see what detail I can actually prick from my Google Sheets data. Okay, Well, other than prompt, I do not have any data. Okay, so how about I go with the same, and in the file type, of course it will be document only. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and again waiting for the response, and the response is positive. So going back to my folder, and here you can notice a blank document has been created. Now we just need to add the content which has got generated via OpenAI application. Alright, so coming back to my Pabbly Connect dashboard once again, clicking on this plus icon, and this time also I will search for the Google Drive only, but the action event will be different here. Okay, give me a second, I'll show you everything step by step. And this time the action event will be update content in our file. So yes, I want to perform the same, clicking on connect, and this time I'm going with the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Google Drive will be connected with Pabbly Connect once again. And now it is asking to select the file in which you want to upload the content. So yes, I want to upload the content in this file only, but the problem here is if I will select this file from this drop down manually, what will happen? Every time a new content is generated, the content will be added in the same file only, but I want that it should be added into a separate file, into the new file. For that, I will have to first enable this mapping button, then I will remove the existing ID of my file, and then I will map the ID from this particular response. Remember, we have just created a new file using this Google Drive step. Simply map the ID of that Google Doc file, and in this way every time the file ID will be mapped here automatically, and in this way the content will be generated on that new file only. And for the content mapping, again I will open this OpenAI app and have mapped this message content. Alright, clicking on this button, save and send test request, and one last time waiting for the response. Alright, so the response is received. Going back to my Google Docs, and did you notice the content has been added here automatically, and because I have specified that the content should be of 200 words only, so that is why it is a small article. You can generate the article as per your requirement, and in this way with the help of Pabbly Connect you can build a connection in your spreadsheet and in this OpenAI application, and can generate the prompts directly and automatically from Google Sheets using Google Sheets. Yes, now onwards you just need to provide a prompt here and wait for that article to be generated in this Google Drive. Let me even show you the example. How about I add one more prompt in this Google Sheets? Okay, now I will even close this Pabbly Connect, but before you close it, make sure that your workflow should be enabled. Alright, closing the same, I am closing this document also, coming back here, adding the same title, the same prompt. Give me a second, and now I will have to press enter, and as soon as I do that, you will notice within few seconds a document will be generated automatically, and in that document the content will be drafted automatically. Okay, so waiting for that, fingers crossed. So after waiting for few seconds, here you can notice one more task has been performed, and this time the prompt was of write a short email on the topic 20% off on all shoes this Christmas. Okay, coming back and checking the same email, checking the same topic, checking the same content. And did you notice a subject line as well as email has been added here automatically. Even the Google Docs is also generated automatically. 20% off on all shoes this Christmas, and we have this email. Dear valued customer, Merry Christmas. As a token of gratitude, we are pleased to announce that we are offering a 20% discount on all shoes this Christmas season. So I hope you have understood. So in this way, you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this 2-step automation, or we can say 4-step automation workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So you just need to click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And I was talking about this link. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com, My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.